Prepare to be dazzled, because Zara Tindall just schooled us all on how to rock the princess bob with regal flair. But here's where it gets controversial. While many associate this chic haircut with recent TikTok trends, Zara has been effortlessly slaying this look for years, long before it became a viral sensation. Last week, at the Cheltenham racecourse in the picturesque Cotswolds, she stepped out in a jaw-dropping terracotta ensemble that left us all in awe. Her autumnal outfit, a caramel-hued wool coat from Hobbs, was nothing short of a fashion masterpiece. The Livia style, with its collared neckline, cinched waist, and notched lapels, paired flawlessly with a brown turtleneck sweater and a statement headband. And this is the part most people miss. It wasn't just her outfit that stole the show. Her hair, a perfectly blunt princess bob, swished in the breeze, framing her face in the most flattering way imaginable. For those unfamiliar, the princess bob is a timeless hairstyle, characterized by its super blunt cut, middle parting, and chin-grazing length. Celebrities like Gigi Hadid and America Ferrera have recently jumped on the bandwagon, but Zara has been the undisputed queen of this look for ages. Her commitment to this short, chic style highlights how it complements her delicate features and exudes modern elegance. Multi-award-winning hairstylist Michael Gray couldn't agree more. He praises how the blunt edges of her bob open up her features, creating a healthy, shiny finish. But here's a thought-provoking question. Is the princess bob truly a trend, or is it a classic that simply gets rediscovered? At Cheltenham, Zara styled her bob with a side parting, adding soft curls through the mid-lengths for volume and movement. She tucked one side behind her ear for a polished yet effortless look, perfectly balancing softness and structure. Her velvet headband, the crowning glory of her ensemble, tied everything together seamlessly. This isn't just a hairstyle, it's a masterclass in timeless elegance. So what do you think? Is Zara's princess bob a trend you'd try, or do you prefer longer locks? Let's debate in the comments.